Assalamu alaikum. Audible? Okay, Alhamdulillah. No, it's fine. Okay, microphone wasn't fixed right. So, Alhamdulillah. Let's continue. Okay, let's begin now. Let's continue on to this journey of being more productive with our smart devices, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, the homework that you have been submitting, my dear students, is excellently done. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feek. So your homeworks were excellently put up. Hopefully you remember what was discussed in yesterday's session. Can you at least mention to me the methods through which we started to create the content, please, in the chat box? Come on. There were 4 different methods that I taught you. You're going to create the content. Can you please mention to me what are those? We directly grab the textual content. Yes, we started to create the content from the raw idea, from the textual content, from the images, and from the YouTube script. Yes, YouTube transcript. Okay, that hopefully that was a new idea for you, inshallah. Okay, inshallah, that would be worth it. Okay, yeah, it would help in many ways, my dear students. Because if you are not so confident in the content that you're giving, refers to the person who is skillful in the content, right? So you can just grab that out from the YouTube or wherever you can get the transcript out, and then you can just design the excellent content. Inshallah, you can create excellent content. We learned how to create the flyers, how to create the textual content. We also started up with the videos, okay, and hopefully I have the videos that you had presented. Those were very excellently done, my dear students, alhamdulillah. So I'll just put a few of it on the screen so that you'll just look into this. Some of it are on my stories. Okay, just look into these. Sharing the device audio. Look into
Discover Mama's herbal products. Nature's goodness, made with care.
this is created by you, my dear students. Subhanallah. Don't you like the way you're creating the thing? There are a few more. Look into these creations. Come on. Beautiful, isn't it? We are live from the content, from the textual content, from the images, from the YouTube videos. Okay, grabbing the content from the YouTube videos.
A child whispers, "Why did our boat get a hole?" Later, they see a cruel king taking only perfect boats. The child happily says, "Allah protected us all along."
Subhanallah, this was such a beautiful story within seconds, right? Okay, let's see a few more. Can you just look into these? These are created by you, my dear students. Okay, if you want to give the 3D look for these flyers also, you can just write 3D. Give my flyer in 3D. Okay, what was I expecting from you was that you have to brand your content like this. Okay, the same color palette, the same what we say typography. Remember, this is expected from you all. Okay, so Alhamdulillah, you all did this very excellently. MashaAllah. Few of you did not brand your content like this, but make sure you're branding it well. Okay, you need to have your logo, you need to have your footer with your
Before
exact.
we eat, Bismillah. Saying Bismillah brings blessings. Say Bismillah before everything you do.
Can you just see this? Subhanallah. Okay, whoever has created, did you add 2 different videos together? Just let me know about this. Yes? No? Okay, Alhamdulillah. So that was all about the content creation, inshallah. You're going to learn few more types of content creation in this class, inshallah. Okay? Come on, my dear students, let's begin. So hopefully you remember what we discussed about content creation. It was nothing but creating the contents from the ideas, right? Creating the content from the ideas. Oh, today again we're going to go ahead with the content creation, video content creation. Okay, we are going to learn how we are going to create the content from the in different perspectives. Okay, inshallah, we're going to learn how to create the content using different things, inshallah, and then we're going to learn how to create the marketing flyers or the videos, right? Inshallah. So let's begin. Can you all tell me what are marketing creatives, if you know? Yes, my dear students, what are marketing creatives? Do let me know soon. Anyone in the chat box, please? What are marketing creatives? Okay, this would be your prompt sheet that would be forwarded now. Go through that, inshallah. We're going to work on this now. Okay. So, yes, marketing creatives are the flyers that we use for advertisement. Yes, flyers, brochures, pamphlets, whatever, like whichever you're going to use for the marketing, digital marketing, basically. Okay, so it is put up by the business owners, educators, the brands to attract the customers to them, isn't it? Attract the customers or the products. Okay, we also have a few of the students who are marketing their products, right? So I'll teach you how you're going to add your products inside the flyers and generate the flyers using the AI. Okay, inshallah, your own products you're going to put in the flyers and generate the what we say AI flyers, the content and all. Inshallah, ta'ala. You'll be learning that in a while. Inshallah, first we'll complete the video creations, video content creation. Fine. The marketing creators are of different type. Yeah, not received prompt sheet. Okay, I'll just forward it again. Okay. So these are the types of the marketing creatives that you can create, fine. So everything is possible. I'll just show one or two of this, inshallah. Then you can to create it together. Okay. So let's quickly begin now with the same prompt sheet, inshallah. Hopefully you have received by now. Bismillah. Yeah, it's on the group. It's just taking time to get there. Okay. Hopefully you have received by now. Is it, my dear students? Yes. Just a bit big yes, please. Okay. So yesterday we learned how to create the videos from the prompt. Yes, no? So what did I do was, how did I add the prompts, my dear students? Yes, I just went to the chat GPT. I asked it, okay, I asked it to write for me an Islamic story. Write an Islamic story in how many seconds? Islamic story in 10 seconds. Story in 10 seconds. You can even use the things like at the end scene should be my, what we say, my thumbnail, my logo. Okay, the logo popping up, right? You should even mention that. You can even reference that in the prompts that you give onto the video editing, video AI model. Okay, so this is the 10-second narration. A little boy quietly picked up a thorn from the path, thinking no one saw him, but Allah saw his kindness. Every small good deed is never forgotten by Allah. This is a narration, fine. So write an Islamic story. So now what you have to ask, write a prompt now. Write a prompt to generate this. Write a prompt to generate this. To generate this. You can also mention that I'll tag my logo. Make sure that logo is popping up at the end. Okay, you have to mention that, right? If you want also, right? It's very easy to do this. Just give the prompts in a very beautiful way. That's all. Write a prompt to generate this. Okay, I'll just click on send. Okay, so it's going to give me a prompt. I don't want this prompt. What do I want? I want a JSON prompt. Why do I want a JSON prompt out of this, my dear students? Because this is easily readable by the device, and this gives you the exact output, right? JSON prompt. JSON prompts is nothing but the Python code that is written, which makes the AI understand it better, fine. So I'll just copy this prompt and I'll paste it, and you will just get the realistic output that we already had, yes, generated. Okay. So okay, one student asked me this, so I'm again showing it to you. So this is the very first way we started to create the content using the prompts. So just you need to click on the new project, and on the bottom or wherever it might be a prompt that the space is mentioned there, just paste that prompt, right? And then image is here, just change it to video. Okay, then grab 9:16 video and 10-second video or whatever, and just click on okay. Okay, and that's done. So you will be charged exactly how many credits for that is 15 credits for a 10-second video. Fine. Okay. So if you want, I can generate it, I guess, because I have so many prompts left. Okay, so images are free. Okay, hundreds of images you can create on this Google Flow. It's for free. If you want, you can even generate the videos out of this using this. And also, if you want, you can even tag the logos. You should have mentioned that in the prompts. Okay, you have to remember, you have to mention that in the prompts. Okay, so make sure that you are adding the end scene as my video, as my logo. Okay, so you have to mention that in the prompt beforehand. Okay, all good? All good about this? How to generate the videos using the prompt? Just give me a quick a thumbs up, please, so that we can go ahead. Anyone has a doubt? Just now I got this doubt, so I had to address this. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this is how you would generate the videos from the prompt. But you know that the videos, what happened to the videos, my dear students, is that you will be in a day you can only generate 4 videos, isn't it? Again, your credits are lost after that. Okay, there's another way you can do this. How are you going to do this? Is from the images, videos from the images, right? So what you can do is that A, B, C, D. Okay, for example, this is just an example. I wanted to show you a mock-up generated from the video that is already present on the Instagram. Okay, so there was someone who posted this video. I'll just go through the Instagram copy. Just a moment. I guess I showed it in yesterday's session. Yes. Okay, this one. There was someone who posted this videos, 5 vehicles. So what is done here is that few difference. Can you see the Gemini symbol here? I mean the Google symbol here. Here. Can you see this? This video has reached around 50K views. Yes, there were 50K views and 50K likes in this. Okay, this was booming up. Can you see the logo there? Google Flow. This was all made by Google Flow, my dear students. Can you not start this content creation journey? See here, this one. Okay, this content creator created without the faces. Yes. Are you not able to do this? Please let me know. You are now, right? Because this is Gemini. I mean, this is the Google Flow. Can you see this? Can you see which software is? Can you please tell me which software was used? Google Flow itself, na? How come you know that? See here. You have this. The transitions are given by Canva. They have made around 5 videos, 5 different videos, and they have added it together. That's all. Isn't it possible for you to make such videos? Yes, no. And this one imbibes by the Islamic Sharia. The faces are not revealing, and it is an educational pattern as well. You can easily go ahead with such kind of videos, my dear students. Yes, and look at this one. This is again the Gemini. I mean the Google Flow. I guess you are not listening to the music, the sounds here. You can just go ahead with the sounds again. Okay, are the sounds audible to you? Yes, yeah, okay, we can break it. You should just go ahead and give the prompt. You just need to ask the ChatGPT to generate it in different scenes, okay? Different scenes. Break it up in 4 scenes. Break it up in 5 scenes. You just need to ask it, okay? I want to create it into 5 videos. Break it up into 5 different videos. First, it will give you 5 different videos. Then then you need to ask, give me 5 different prompts. Then you need to ask, how can we blur out the eyes? You just need to give the prompts in such a way that, so whatever prompts I give was in the bottom I mentioned that please do not show any facial features. Okay, do not show any facial features, blur the facial features. You should mention that in the prompt, right? Blur the facial features. Now this prompt, don't copy it as it is. At the end just mention blur out the facial features, blur out the facial features, right? So then you can easily get through this, right? So JSON prompt, before going out of the JSON prompt, in the prompt itself, whenever you're going to tell the prompt, write a prompt to generate the story, but make sure the characters have the blurred facial features. You have to mention that, right? So now think that 5 are exhausted. 5 credits, 50 credits that you had are exhausted, and now you want to urgently create a video. What is the second option that you can go ahead is that this is the second option, videos from the images. Okay, so I'll teach you how we are going to do this. This is not again just the images that you are going to prompt. You're going to even create the animation of the images. Okay, just now I just want you all to be very, what we say, concentrating. Come on, my dear students. Okay, so let's begin. First thing that we're doing, we'll just copy the same things that are here. Okay, we're going to start with an image prompt. We are generating the images. Okay, basically I want ABCD, only ABCD. Fine, I'll just copy this up. Okay, I just made some things easier for you. If you want, you can make the prompts and say, make letter A. You're just symbolizing the A is for Allah, and it should be put up in very what we say, cartoonish kind of way. In that way, you can mention. See here, can you see this? In every prompt of mine, I mention here no facial details. Can you see this? No facial details. This is how you have to mention in every prompt. Fine. So this was basically told. I told this in a very informal way, and I asked the chat GPT to convert it into a formal way so that I can give it to you. That's all. I told this same thing into a informal way. That's all. Okay. You can ask the chat GPT to modify the prompts very well. In that way, you can tell it, and it will modify it for you. Okay, but present the idea very beautifully, right? So you are asking to okay, English letter A should be presented in such a way that the kids are over there. Okay, but the kids that are there, the facial details should not be seen. Can you see this, how beautiful it has produced? This is how you can get it out. Okay, A is over, and this way I just want you to do 2 to 3 letters. Okay, I don't want to waste the time here, so I'll just take 3 letters, right? A, B. So I'll just copy and paste it here. You know, if you want to have the continuity in the designs, same designs being copied, like same what we say continuity in the color features and all, then you have to make sure you are doing the same chat. You're doing it in the same chats. Okay. You don't have to change the chats, right? If you change the chats, the continuity will be lost. New kind of design will be projected. New kind of image will be projected. Fine. So you have to take care of this one. Okay. Okay. The next would be that. Okay. The C prompt and D prompt. Are you done with this? Copy the same things because I don't want to waste my time here. I just want you all to copy the same thing. Come on. Quickly. If you're done with generating 4 images, let me know. Go ahead with the audio creation. How to go with the audio creation is that I want you all to go ahead with the Gemini. Gemini, fine. B for Bismillah. See here, the facial features is not at all visible. No facial features. Is it showing the same for you? Yes, because the prompt has no facial details mentioned there, right? Okay, that is something that you have to mention in every prompt. Okay, third one and then the fourth one. Okay, meanwhile, let me just go ahead with the audio prompt. I'll just copy this up and keep. See how fast it is giving the results, right? If you and I would have imagined and done this, was it possible to do it? So in such a what we say in a such a short time, within 1 second, 2 seconds or so? No, right? Okay, so okay, I'm just showing you the ways you can generate the videos if you do not have the credits left in the credits left in the Google Flow, isn't it? So this would be for the D. Okay, let me just get back to this later. So what I'll do is that I'll go to with the audio creation. Fine. So we are done with the image creation. Audio generation, we just need to copy this up. A, B, C, D. Okay, now listen carefully. Which app are we going to use? We are going to use Gemini. Okay. Done. What is Gemini? Gemini by Google. Are you good with this? My dear students, please let me know. Now you're just supposed to click on the plus button. Go to the Gemini, click on the plus button, music, click on music. Fine. And then just paste this audio prompt. Fine. And just click on OK. You'll get a beautiful audio generated within seconds. Come on, my dear students, if you're done, please let me know. Yes? Done with the images? Okay, I'm with the last image. If you're done, just give me a thumbs up. 4 images. We're just trying out now. Okay, you can even create things in different ways also. Like this is for ABCD. I would have created this for Alif Bata or something like that. Okay, even for the Arabic. Okay, you know Arabic. This one versions of this looks very excellent. Okay, Arabic versions. We can create it in a very beautiful way. Arabic songs are available on Gemini, my dear students. You know that? See, they generated the excellent copy of ABCD, the track that it has given. You can play it up and see. There will be no background music. Okay, if you have any background music, you can ask it to remove the background music. You know that to play this. Okay, before this, I will download it first. Okay, download the album also. You can download the album as well, or you can download the track also. Okay, two in one. Are you done till here? Please give me a quick thumbs up, please. Yes, no? My dear students, done? This is how you're generating the audios. No? Okay. If you're done with the images, if you're done with all the 4 image prompts, A, B, C, and then D, it's done. So I'll just download it up. Click on download button. Let me go to the next one. See how beautiful it has produced, isn't it? 2, download, done. 3, download, done. 4, download, done. Okay. So you have generated 4 different images. Fine. You are also generated the audio. If you have any doubts, please let me know. You can stop me and let me know, please. Okay. If you're facing any difficulty, let me know. Come on, my dear students. Any difficulty, please let me know. You can stop and comment, no problem. Put it up in the chat box. Any doubts, put it up in the chat box. Or if you are hesitating to put it in the chat box, you can message me on the WhatsApp. Okay. I'll take your doubts. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Then what did you have to do? We'll just copy the prompt and place it on the Gemini. Okay. On the Gemini. Are we fine with this? Gemini, we're going to click on plus button, music, okay, music track. So on the music track, what did I mention was that I just mentioned that A is for Allah, B is for Bismillah, C is for charity, D is for dua. I just wanted to elaborate that and make sure that no background music is there, and make sure that there are just the children voice, the voice of the child, or something like mouth voices, vocal voices, or something like the natural voices, the outdoor sound, breeze, and all. Okay. So now it has given me the beautiful output. So it's not opening up here. So I'll just open it on it will be on my gallery. Okay. It's not here. Did you download it right? Track only. Let me open it up so that you can hear it. It's opening here. I'm sorry. We'll look it at when we are going to edit it. Fine. Look at it when we are going to edit it. Let's go ahead with the Canva now. So why are we visiting Canva now? So that we club the images. We are going to club the images together. Okay. I'll show you some of the images that I created today so that I can show it to you. Okay. Some of the videos that I say. Okay. This video. If the device audio is audible, then just let me know. Okay. This was the photo. Okay. This was a photo. Can you just see this? This is a photo. This is a photo. This is a photo. This is a photo. I added 4 photos. Then what did I do was, okay, these are the 4 photos. Then I animated it. I won't tell you now how did I animate, but I'll show you how it is, how the final copy is. Okay. Is the sound was is it audible? Please let me know. No. Oh, I think I need to download it so that you can hear it from me. Download. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, you just need to add the sound, add the images, give the transitions in between them, and add the animation to the images, which is given by the Canva AI. Right? I'll just get back to that. But before that, I just want to present this. Okay, have you just got your audios ready from the Gemini? Music track ready? Images ready? Just give me a big thumbs up, please. I want you all to try this over. No, not yet. Okay, probably your Wi-Fi is down or the internet is down. Okay, it's getting time to download, so I'll just leave that out. But I just wanted to show you how the Canva has animated this. Okay, Canva animates the things by itself. Okay, if you got B for the D prompt, change it. Ask it to put it as a D and not B. Okay, ask it, change this image to D. I want it as a D for the WA. You just have to go ahead with the microphone and discuss with the chat GPT like you're asking the doubt to me. Okay, the same way you just need to discuss it with them, with the AI model, so that it will understand you and it will give you the better output. That's all. Got it? Okay, now how do you have to start with the content creation? Is that you go to your software named as Canva that we have given you the pro access with, go to plus button that you see on the very first interface of the Canva. Okay, once you go to the plus button, you'll be having A, B, C, D. Can you see this? A, B, C, D. Click on it, one, A here, and then B here, C here, and D here. We're going to upload this to the Canva. Add four files. Done. Once it's adding is done, use in a design. We are just going to go ahead with use in a design. Okay, we have 4 different files here. Correct? Okay, once you click on this, you go ahead with a name thing called as, okay, are you all done? Just give me a big thumbs up, please. Okay, you go ahead with the thing called as animation. Okay, animate. Just click on that image and go to the animate button and click on something called as create, something called as image to video. Okay, done. Image to video. Click on it. Okay, there are 2 things to do. You can ask the AI to smartly do this. Okay, smartly animate this, or you can go ahead with custom AI. Okay, custom, and write the prompt to animate this. What would you like to do? Okay, so have you generated ABCD from the chat GPT, dear sister? Once you have generated that, I just want you to download ABCD. Fine, download ABCD, download it all. It will be in your gallery or something like that. Okay, go to the Canva page. Okay, go to the Canva page, click on the plus button. It will be everywhere on the Canva page, plus or the create button. Okay, onto the create button there is something called as uploads. Okay, uploads. You can upload your files. So upload the files. So which are those files? A, B, C, D. We just can click, multiple press on it, click on it, and then use in a design. Okay. So once you get that, just go back. Okay. Now the real animations. Okay. I want to show you the difference between Canva animating the things and you putting a prompt and animating the things. Okay. So these are the 4 pages. Can you see this 4 pages on your screen? Are you done till here? Just give me a thumbs up, please. Are you all done till here? Canva? Adding the things on the frame, adding the images on the frame. Anyone? Thumbs up? Okay, if you're done till here, just need to go to the animate button. Okay, and there is something called as magic animate. Right? Animate button, magic animate. And then second, click on the image, click on animate and image to video. Okay, you're going to go ahead with image to video. First video, it felt that I already animated, so it's doing that. So I'm just going to delete it. Delete the page. Okay, I'll add the content from the gallery again. A, add as a new page. Okay, I'll replace this to the first. Okay, now again I'm available with ABCD. Can you see this? It is A, B, C, D. You can just give the transition in between and make sure that you are generating a video. That's enough. Add a transition, 3 dot button, add a transition, dissolve transition. Then again 3 dot button, add a transition, color wipe. Again, any other transitions you can give here. Okay. And again plus button, add a transition, stack kind of transition. Okay, then this way you can give the transitions 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 transitions can be given. Or if you don't want this images to be static, if you want them to be moving, okay, there should be a movement in this, and what should you do is that you go to the animate button. Okay, and there is something called as create animation. Okay, image to video. What is that thing? Image to video. Just click on it. For this, I'll just go to the animate button. I'll just click on image to video and just go ahead with this. Click on it, animate button. Okay, then click on image to video and go ahead. Understood? So image to video is something that you have to do. Image to video, and then click on generate the 5-second video. Okay, this is the AI that will do it for you. Generate the 5-second video. It will be done by the AI itself. It will move the things that are here. It will make sure that things are moving. Fine. Within seconds, it will animate the entire image and give it to you. Okay. So once you go with the animate button, make sure you're not getting back from that, or else it will think that you have already animated and it will not make the animations again. Can you see this, my dear students? And Canva has animated in a better way than the Google Flow. More better way than the Google Flow. Okay, I don't want to waste my credits on the doing this. I just want to show you how the output turned out to. Okay, I'll show it here itself. Can you see this? See the animation, please? Yes? How beautifully it has animated, isn't it? Canva has animated the things by itself. Yes. Okay, one important thing, don't waste your credits here. You will be getting the credits like at least 10 to 15 videos you can do this. But make sure you're not wasting all of your credits. Did you all try this now? I just want a quick thumbs up if you have tried this. Yes, no? Yes, I will do it again. What you have to do is you have put up the images, right? Are you done till here? You have put the images on the Canva, correct? Okay, so now you just click on that image, click on animate button. Okay, you will be having image to video. Image to video. You'll have this tab known as image to video. Click on it. Okay, to do this you have two ways. Okay, one is a smart way of doing is Canva will itself animate by itself. Okay, and Canva will animate by itself. The second thing is go to the custom animation. Okay, you now can go to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to animate this photo. Okay, you can ask the ChatGPT also. It will give you a prompt. Get that prompt and put it here. That's all. Got it? There are two ways. Smart animation. You can just put smart and generate the 5-second video. Or what you can do is that you can go to the custom, ask ChatGPT to give it prompt to animate the photo that is here. Okay, I'll ask it. Okay, give me a prompt to animate this. Give me a prompt to animate this. Isn't it stunning, my dear students? The Canva is offering you such a great service. Okay, so this is a bigger prompt. I don't want it so big. Only for D I want it, right? Make it small. Make it short. Sorry. Make it short. Okay. Okay, I'll just copy this down. I'll go to the Canva and I'll paste it. Okay, for the custom animation. I'll tell you to do this in that way. Do it ultra detail. Okay, this here only few of the characters are enough. Portrait 9:16. All these are not required actually. Magical atmosphere. You can even generate the animation as a smart. Canva will animate by itself, or custom. You have to animate it by giving it a prompt. Done. Everyone, please let me know if it is fine. Yes, no. You're not getting the image to video. Can others tell me if you are getting the image to video? Are you into the pro version of the Canva? Yes. Okay, the same team that I have shared. Other students, please let me know if you're getting image to video or not. Can you see the animation here with the prompt? Anyone else, please let me know if you're getting the image to video or not. Sometimes. You're not getting it, you're not getting it. Yes, you are getting it, you are getting it. Sometimes it is not. See here, for this image, it's not showing me image to video. So what should I do? I'll delete this image and I'll put it on the another end. Got it? Sometimes I'm not getting it. For B also, I did not get it. So I showed it for C and D. Got it? Understood, my dear students? For some of the images, it's telling that it is a very, what we say, if it is not of a HD quality, if it is not in such a way that you can create an image to video, then it won't show you. Got it? If it is of such quality that it can make an image out of this, video out of this, then it will show you. Got it? Yes, no? Okay. Students, I want you to check it with other images. Okay, if not that image, put delete this image, put it somewhere here. Put the same image in the next screen. Okay, I'll put the same image. Just see here. How am I going to do that? Add it to page. Okay. For this image itself, I'll click on animate. Now see here. Can you see this? I got it now. Image to video. Understood? Did you try it now? Who was asking the doubt? Your student. Okay, Muhammad Fahim, did you get it? You can just give me a thumbs up if you got it. Okay, so image to video. Just click on the image, go to the animate button. Okay, go ahead with something else. Like for example, you can go ahead with 2 to 3 different pages. Take another page now. Take another page. Add the image there. Add to the page. Okay, add to the page. So with this image, you can play around. Go to the animate button. Okay, then see your image to video. Are you doing it with the page or something like that? Don't do with the page. Go to the photo and do it. Go to this photo and then go ahead with the animation. I mean, image to video. Got it? Not. Okay. No. Okay. You can share with me the screenshots. I'll help you with that again. Okay. Okay. Sure. You'll be added. Actually, we had sent the invitations on the very first day itself. I think you took late to approach, my dear student. Inshallah. We'll be added to the new team. Okay. So, okay. So this is done. Understood? Have you understood how to convert images to the videos? Okay, no problem, no problem. You will be getting it. You'll be getting it. I think it's because of the interface. I think you have tried with it 1:1 ratio or something like that. Okay, what do you have to do? Go to the videos itself. Come on, go to the videos. Take the Instagram reel video. Fine. Go to the videos. Take the Instagram reel video. Okay. Then put those images there. Upload those images there. Would you try it now? You will actually get this. Go to the gallery or else. Fine, and convert those images to the videos. Fine. So now same thing I wanted you to try with this one. Small, 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 the big, big, big. I actually put this up. I have given you all as a project. Let's see if you can do that. Add media. Yeah, and this way you can add the medias. It's all added up. Once it's added up, what you can do is that click on those images, click on animate button and make sure the animation is done. The ratio is not perfect, so I don't want to go ahead with this video. You should take your own ratios. Fine. The ratios of this you can upload it directly. Then click on animate button. Here, image to video is customly available to everyone, my dear students. Okay, so make sure you're just going through that again. Inshallah, you will be getting that access again. Inshallah. Okay, so now, okay, we just did the animations. Did I show you how to add the audios? Yes. So once you're done with the image to videos, what are you supposed to do? You're going to add the audios. Fine. I don't want to waste my credits by animating this. I'm sorry. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I just want to go ahead with the audio upload. So where did I get the audio from? Gemini, right? Yes or no? I got my audio from the Gemini. I headed to the Canva now to what? To do what, my dear students? To make it into a perfect video, correct? Okay. So first what did I do was I opened my Canva. I clicked on plus button. I added my photos that I have bought from the ChatGPT into my design. Okay. So all the photos have been clubbed up like this. Okay. One after another. So what did I do after that was that I have to add an audio to those photos. Okay. How do I add the audio to the photo is that I just click on add an audio button. Okay, add an audio button. Or what I can do is that there are two ways to do that. Fine. All what you can do is that you can just go to your uploads. Okay. Onto the uploads, you can record yourself also. You can even go ahead with upload the files. You have the Gemini putting up in the MP4 format also. Okay, you got the music track in the MP4 format. Hopefully you know that. Okay, you can upload it up here. Okay, once it is uploaded, just open it up. So it is here, the kindness alphabet. Right. So what you have to do is you have to click on three dot button and extract the audio out. Extract the audio out. Extract the audio out. Fine. So again, this is a video. Fine. So audio is not being put up by the what we say, you can extract the audio out, or what you can do is that you can delete this. Okay, add as a new page, add as a page. You can use it as a page, set video as a background, and then you can just go ahead with the three dot button and extract the audio out. Right? So that is also one thing that you can do. Or the another thing that you can do is that you have already downloaded the track. Okay, you have already downloaded the track in the MP3 format. I mean the audio format. You can just get that track. Okay, MP3 format. Is it downloaded here? Music files, audio. The kindness alphabet. This is your audio. You can directly add the audio, right? So once the audio is added, you can just click on this audio button. It's done uploading. Just click on it. It will be added to your track. That's all. So we can start framing the audio from here, from the start. Okay. And then let's just see how it's done. Hopefully you can hear the device audio. Okay. From D, I actually gave the animation. Okay. You just need to replace that with the audio sound. So this was your audio. You just need to replace it based on your audio. That's all. A, B, C, D. So where is A? You have to go ahead with that many, what we say, timings. You can give those many timings for this, 4 seconds or 5 seconds or something like that. Okay. For this, based on the audio, you need to give the sound. Fine. Okay. So I'll delete it again, the audio. I'll add the audio again with the upload button. Audio from the start gets it out, added up. Okay. Within 30 seconds, it should be finished off. So let me just guess it out from where it is starting. Okay, you are not hearing this, I guess, because Zoom is not allowing me to share this audio. Okay, this way the transitions happen, and this way you get the video, right? Okay, so you can delete this. So audio is also done, video is also done, transitions are also done. How to get the transitions? Click on plus button here and add different transitions. That is how your video will turn out to be. Okay, then click on share button and you can download the video in this way. Fine. So this is the second way of creating the video. Are you all good with this? Please let me know, my dear students. If not now, try it after the class. It's very easy. There's nothing like anything is difficult here. Got it? Yes? Okay. So there's another prompt that I mentioned, videos by animating the images. Okay. Okay, I'll show you how you can create videos by animating the images. For example, I'll go to the Google Flow. Fine. You can just ask the Google Flow to animate an image. I'll just remove this all, select all and delete it. I'll put one, or what we say, one image here. Click on the image. I'll take any image. For example, you can take 2 to 3 images also. I'll take this image, okay? So this is for the business purposes. For example, I created this image, like there should be my flyer behind, I mean my uh, photo of my brand behind, and the person should be speaking to me, describing the brand, okay? So that can be given, right? So those are called as lip synchronizing videos. What are they called as, my dear students? Lip synchronizing videos. Fine. So if you want, you can ask the ChatGPT itself to generate the lip synchronizing videos. Fine. So let me see. Okay, generate a narration. Generate a narration for the lip synchronizing videos. I guess we have added this here for the lip synchronizing videos. Yes, we have it here. Animate the uploaded video into a natural expressive talking video. Okay, the character should narrate this. Okay, so what am I telling? Animate it so that it tells it story. For the narration, you can say what it should narrate. Okay, I'll go ahead. I have added one photo in which there is a person. Okay, so for that person, I'll give the thing that he has to tell. Okay, what is the story he has to tell? Okay, let me ask him to say one Islamic story. Okay, what is the story? Let me get that from ChatGPT itself. Okay, so go ahead with the ChatGPT, get an Islamic story. Generate a Islamic story in 10 seconds. Islamic story in 10 seconds. Okay. Okay. I want it for marketing actually. Marketing narration. Let me see if it is marketing narration for reminder after reminder. Okay, you can do it for your own photos, your own what we say product review photos or something like that. If you want a person to be speaking, you can add the image of the person and you can make him speak. Okay, how do you do that? You add the image to the chat GPT and give that prompt that I mentioned in the lip synchronization. Give that prompt and add the narration there. Okay, so whatever you want as a narration, uh, you can put it there. Fine. Marketing narration for my brand, reminder after reminder. You can say in that way, or my brand, whatever you have, reminder after reminder. Okay, let me just see. Okay, so it will give you a narration. Fine. Every reminder brings you closer to Allah. I'll just copy this up. I'll just put it on the Google Flow. After the lip synchronization, I'll just put it on the Google Flow. Now, this person that is here will actually start to animate. Okay, will actually start to synchronize with the text content that I have provided. Got it? So, image. I want a video in this format. Okay, 16:9 now. 8 second or 10 second. Let me generate. Oh no, okay. Okay, what did I do actually? I generated an image of a person who is having my what we say flyer behind. Okay, then what did I do? I asked him. Fine. I asked the chat GPT to synchronize his lips with my narration. Okay, so the narration is that I gave it what we say a story to narrate. Fine. So this person will be narrating the things that I'm telling him. Got it? You can put an image and make it to narrate. Got it now? My dear students, will you try this up? Okay, come on, try this. Use the same prompt of lip synchronization. Okay, use any image. You can ask the chat GPT to produce an image of a Muslima without the face or something like that. Only the hands can be moving with the students in the classroom. And then you can ask them to generate the lip synchronization videos. The same prompt can be copied and the story can be written at the bottom. That's all. He just needs to narrate the things that you're going to do. You have another app for this, that is Pixverse. The Pixverse AI also does that. You can just give the textual content and it will start to narrate. Let's see, Bismillah, how the
In a world full of distractions, every reminder brings us closer to Allah. Welcome to Reminder. Let your heart be inspired and your connection with Allah renewed. Join our community and never miss a reminder. In a world full of distractions, every reminder brings us closer to Allah. Welcome to Reminder. Let your heart be inspired and your connection with Allah renewed. Join our community.
Did you hear that, my dear students? Yes, no? Please let me know. Yes, that's all. So one photo, you can change it into the narration. Come on, this is very easy. What do you have to do? So you just go to the drive. Okay, you have the command here. Okay, all the commands I've mentioned it to you. Just take this command and write your story. Okay, write your story, but you have to have an image. Okay, you can take the image of a Muslim who will generate it for you. ChatGPT will do it for you. Gemini will do it for you. Generate image. Okay, for example, I'll tell it generate an image of a Muslima teaching a class. Generate an image. You can make it so lively. You know that you can turn the static image to the what we say static image to the motions. Generate image of a Muslima teaching the classroom. Muslima teaching the classroom. This is called as lip synchronizing videos. These are used in the business promos, okay? Advertisements. So I have taught you this, right? Business advertisements. If you put something behind, you can ask it. We can ask generate image of a Muslima with my brand in the background. It notes the brand by now, correct? In the background. That's all. It will generate it. A Muslima in front and behind it, it is she is actually explaining about my brand or something like that. If you want to go ahead with the business promo videos, this is how you generate it. Fine. So isn't it stunning to look at? Specifically the lip synchronizing videos. Yes, no. So I just want you all to go ahead with generation of these kind of videos. Come on, my dear students. Friday is over. Come on, you also have a project here. Okay, so audio content creation. Are you good with this? Any doubts with audio content creation? You're just copying the prompts and pasting there, or else you can just tell the Gemini. Okay, tell the Gemini. Okay, create an audio. I want you to create an audio for Alif Bata in the Arabic versions. Just put it up on the Gemini and see how beautifully the audios will turn out to be. Okay. Okay, there's a project. Let me see if you all can do this. Okay, creating the images out and just, or else you can even put this on the Google Flow and create. Okay, let's see if you can create this, the audio content generation, and then everything can be done. Okay, the next thing that we want to discuss is about the textual videos. Textual videos. Do you know how the textual videos will turn out to be? Do you know what are the textual videos? Textual videos, the content in which only texts are present. Okay, see, Muslima is with the reminder after reminder. Actually, the face is not visible because I have strictly told the ChatGPT that you are not supposed to share the faces of the women here. Okay, so it is just giving me the image in this way. So what should I do with this now? I cannot generate the what we say um, facial content. So what I can do is that I can use this. I can download this. I can use it in the
Community and
Google
never
Flow.
miss a reminder. In a world full of
I can use it in the projects, new project, fine. So we can add two more photos and then you can just go ahead with the prompt that I just copied, okay? That prompt will actually give me the, what we say, textual content in my videos, fine? So you can try this over, please. So you also have background video generation. So do you know how you can create the background videos, my dear students? Okay. For example, if you're on a task, like you're creating a Quranic flyer, Quranic videos. Okay. For example, my ayah for today is kullu nafsin za'iqatul maut. Okay. So I would take that ayah. I would ask it to ask the chat GPT, how should I go ahead with the scenes? Okay. It will tell me kullu nafsin za'iqatul maut. You add some dark scenes. Okay. Then wa innama tuwaffawna ujurakum yawmal qiyamah. Then you go ahead with the qiyamah. Then you go ahead with something like this nar. Okay. What jannah. Then go ahead with a light background wherein you are going to have jannah feel. Okay. So in this way, I asked the chat GPT create this by scenes. It gave me the scenes. Okay, first should be very dark kind of backgrounds. The second should be full reward on the day of resurrection, a true success in the paradise. Then third, fourth scene should be the world is temporary. In this way, you can create the scenes on the Google Flow also. Or what you can do is that you can just copy this same thing down onto the chat GPT and generate the background images. The images you can grab and go ahead with animating them. That is all that you can do. Or you can go ahead with the Canva, take the elements from the Canva that are already available for you. Why are you taking the risk when you already have the scenes there, right? So you have the scenes already on the Canva, the elements, the videos on the Canva. Just grab them and put them on the what we say the timeline time frame and then create your own videos. Okay, is this topic that difficult to you, my dear students? Are you facing any difficulty in creating the videos? Do let me know. If you find any difficulty while creating the videos, you can just get back to me. I'll help you throughout. Okay, so do not worry about this. So video editing topic, I just wanna end it here because I want to show you how you're going to create your own flyers now. Fine, are we done with this topic? Any doubts here? Have you created at least the an amount of video that you would be confident to create from now on? Okay, Allahumma barik was it. Okay, you're confident from now that you are going to create, you can create the videos of any type. Is it, my dear students? So I've told you every way of creation, lip synchronizing videos, the videos in which you can add the backgrounds or add the textual content also. It's all given in the prompt sheet. You can use them and you can create your own such videos, inshallah. Just give me a thumbs up if you can move forward, please. Yes, no? Give me a thumbs up now. Okay, Allahumma barik. Few more students, I want you all to be present now. Come on, let's get back. Get back to the stream. Hopefully, you all are in the video generation spirit. Are you all not stunned by the videos that Google Flow is creating? Not just the Google Flow, you also have another application known as Pixverse. Picsverac. I would like you to go ahead with this Pixverse and do the content creation as well, because over there you'll get more credits than this. More credits than this. If you want more credits, you can even go ahead with the watching the advertisements on the Pixverse and creating more. Okay, at least 3 per day. You can create 3 videos. If you watch the advertisements, you will be getting more credits. You can even create more such on each day. Find 55 credits now. In this way, you can go ahead with 100 credits and all. Pixverse is an application wherein you can create the AI generated videos. Right? Okay. Let's quickly go ahead with the next type of content creation, which is marketing flyers. Okay, so how do you generate the content, my dear students? How do you generate the contents for the marketing flyers? Yes, you say the chat GPT itself, right? You ask the AI to generate it. Okay, so first thing what you're going to ask the AI. Okay, so now you're all are, yes, you're going to start from the niche, right? You're going to start from the topics that you want to create the course flyers or the business promos or whatever, right? For example, the topic that you want to go ahead for to create a course flyer is that today I'm going to launch. Okay, I'm going to launch. Okay, you just can give it an idea and ask it to create the textual content. Okay, I'm going to launch a course on what it can be, on memorizing the Quranic duas, because we are just taking the content for reminder after reminder. Memorization of Surah Al-Baqarah. Okay, I'll just write help me create the flyer text. What am I asking? Flyer text. Okay, so see here how it is going to create. It will add all of the flyer textual contents, who can join, what can join. You just need to fill this up. Fine. Yes, it is from the Canva itself, dear sister. So how did I do that? Was I went to the more. There is a plugin in more. I think in the plugins. Yes, in the plugins you have it like the mini characters, mini me we call it. Okay, there are so many plugins in the Canva. If you go ahead with the plugins, you will be given so many plugins in which there was something called as mini me. Okay, if you upload the image, you'll be given the mini version, the smaller versions of you. So mini me. There are so many plugins on the Canva. You can just discover them. Mini me. Okay. So I just uploaded the photo there. So you would be getting the smaller versions of you, right? So mini me. Like you can just check through the plugins, fine. You'll get that, right? Once you get that plugin, you just have to put the image there. You'll be getting an image out there. Okay. So export that image to the Canva and ask it to animate. That's all. Okay. It was done by the Canva itself, right? In the plugins, you have that. Just check through this. It is mini me. Mini, the spelling I don't remember. Yama, I guess. And then space should be added, maybe. Just check through that. You have so many plugins there in the Canva which will help you through. Okay. Okay, so if you want to create a course now, how are you going to do this? You're going to put up everything here. You're just asking to create a flyer text first. Okay, textual content for the flyer. Okay, so the same thing you're using for the WhatsApp promotion also, right? So make sure you're doing that. Once you get the textual content, one important thing is that do not leave your brand guidelines behind, my dear students. Okay, don't leave your brand guidelines behind. You have to carry this down. Which things specifically? Can you please tell me which things? The color, the typography, the brand logo. Yes, what else? The fonts, right? Typography, the brand logo, the fonts, the footer. Register now. Okay, instead of this I want to go ahead with the reminder. Okay, so it's taking a site here. Okay, now what do I have to change? I have to change these things. Class details. When am I going to start this class from? Okay, let me write 23. Time. Even if I fill it halfway, it will understand the things and it will fill it fully. Okay, 11 a.m. Okay, mode online, recordings available. Let me remove this. Fee amount not decided. I'll just don't mention. I'll just click it like that. Why join and all. Okay, so this is enough. I'll just put it here. Now it will restructure it again and give it to me. Okay, take the first step. Reminder after reminder. It has restructured this. Now what you're going to do is that you're not going to create the flyer directly. Please make sure you're knowing that. Don't click on the prompt and say create the image. No. Make sure you're creating the prompt, my dear students. Create a prompt. Okay, prompt to create the flyer and above content. Create a prompt to make a flyer on above content. Got it? This would give a perfect result, fine. If you go ahead with directly creating the flyers, it won't give you the proper result. So make sure you are going ahead with the design prompt, okay? Because it will tell you how to add the elements, how to make sure the things are right. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to copy this and you have to try it for 2 to 3 times, okay? So I'll do it for this one first, okay? I'll go ahead with another chat, okay? I'll add my logo there. Just see here how to do this. I'll add my photo there. I mean the photo from the reminder after reminder logo. I'll add it here. Like I'll use this seeking. No, I cannot use it because it should recognize that the flyer logo has been attached. I'll attach the logo and paste this content and go ahead. See, in this way, we can generate 2 to 3, what we say, flyers with this. Getting it? You know, within 2 minutes, I created a flyer from my client. Yes, for my client. Okay, so these things are very excellently done. Fine. So try this over, my dear students. Come on. Okay, you also asked me how are you going to add my products inside, right? So let's just be done with this. Then I'll show you how to add the products inside. So this is how you start with the course flyer. Make sure you're adding your own logo, my dear students. Logo should be added. Your footer, the footer should say what, where do you follow, where you can follow and all. Here the logo. Can you not see this? The logo is added. Present Surah Al-Baqarah memorization course. Same color palette was used as the logo. Fine. Reminder after reminder because reminders benefit the believer. Okay. Again, let me just go ahead and check this one. In this way, you can develop 2 to 3 prompts, put the prompts here and there, and generate it, my dear students. Fine. Do not stop for one. Do not finalize one course flyer. Okay. Can you see this now? I added it. How do I add my products in the same way I add my products? Click on plus button and add your photos there. Add your logos there. Whatever you want, add it there. In this way, who can join? Course details. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Register now, reminder because reminders benefit the believers. Okay, you can even ask it, add a beautiful footer at the bottom, asking them to register here with your phone number. You can manipulate it 100 times, my dear students. Okay, so this same flyer, what you can do is that you can put it on the Google Flow app and ask it to animate it in such a way that each textual content gets back one after another. Okay, so even that can be done. Okay, now let's go ahead with the business sales flyer. For example, we have the product. Let me go ahead with the chats now again. So let me market some products. Okay, let me go ahead with the crochet sisters. Okay, crochet. So crochet, I have a crochet business. So how do you start with? Start with your microphone. Do with the microphone. Don't worry, it will understand it all. Fine. So I have a crochet business, but because over here my Zoom is not allowing me to use the microphone, I'm writing it. Okay. I have a crochet business. I have a crochet brand. Let me write. Okay. My logo is attached. Okay. Full stop. My products are attached. Okay. You need to attach your products also. Products are attached. Okay. So asking it, make a flyer, make a business promo flyer. Okay. Promo flyer. Okay. Then whatever the details you want, my contact details are, details are, you can mention, or whatever you want to, you can mention details. You can just mention 912. Okay. Another 2 words I'll just mention, and this is that. Only this prompt I have provided. I'll click on the plus button now. I'll get the the first thing is that logo you have to get. Okay, let me just get the logo. Loops with hooks. Okay, I'll add it here. The next thing is that you have to have the crochet, what we say. I guess I have it here. Need to check too. If you have some kind of crochet, then we can put it up. Then you have to put the product. Okay, altogether you can just put it there. Okay, the ChatGPT or whatever AI you are using, it will understand the things for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry, it will understand the things for you. Make sure you're just, what we say, developing the prompts in such a way that you're going to get the ideal results, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, my dear students, will you be able to do this? Kindly let me know yes, no. Are you doing it? Yes, Alhamdulillah. So have you generated a course flyer, a business flyer? No, yes. Okay, so these kinds of stuff like thumbnails and all can be easily designed by ChatGPT. Okay, I have the crochet from the loops with hooks. Okay, I'm marketing it here for you all, my dear students. I have a student who is very well versed in the what we say crochet making. They have their own business. I'm doing it for them now on the live session. Okay, so this is how you actually do it. You fill up with the, much of the prompts, my dear student. You can even put, can you see this, how much files you can attach? If not four, you can attach it next time also. You can give next four in the next scenario and say now attach next four things. Okay, or you can ask it to attach next four things, right? So it should be more detailed. Actually, I just wrote it because I'm very lazy to write the things. The microphone is not taking my voice in, so I'm writing it down, right? You can just mention more of the textual content. Okay, so I'll just put it up here. Okay, my logo is attached, my products are attached. Make a business promo flyer. Okay, it will make a flyer and give it to you. Now what you can do is that you take the content from the flyer, modify it 10 times, 100 times, modify it. You can market each of the flyers that you have there, right? So this is how you do it, my dear students, right? Okay, you just need to wait to get the good things out, isn't it? Inshallah. So now, okay, so this is how you start with the marketing, the business promos, business flyers. Okay, and also the textual content for marketing. Make sure you are getting it from the chat GPT itself because it will provide a very excellent content for the what we say promotion, right? Okay, you have to be done with this. You have to add your own products. If you are into anything, make sure you're going to do that. For example, I have a student who is also in the hijab business. I want you to put up those products inside the flyer and share it with me, fine? As a business promo. If you are a content creator also, or if you are what we say, if you're well versed in creating the flyers and all, you can add the flyers inside the image and say that we are going to create different content. Okay, so I'll go ahead with another chat and show it to you how you can do that as well. So okay, I am a graphic designer. Okay, graphic designer. I need you to add my product into a flyer and create a, a graphic design service, we can say, or a photo editing service, video editing service flyer. Okay, so first I'll say create a photo editing graphic designing flyer for me. Okay, create a graphic designing service flyer to me. Okay, graphic design service flyer. Okay, service flyer for me. So I'm teaching you how you're going to write the prompt. Please make sure you're correcting, you're asking it to, you're giving your best talents out there. Okay, I'm telling it to create it by itself, right? I'm a graphic designer. I need you to add my products into the flyer and create a beautiful flyer or premium flyer to market with the clients. Okay, so I need to add my products there. I'll go to the photos. I need to add my own logo. So I'll add a EDU-SITE kind of logo. I'll add something like EDU-SITE kind of logo is better. Okay. I need to add a logo there. Fine. So let me see if we can have. Okay, you are supposed to add a logo, and then you are supposed to add the products. The products here should be the flyers that we are generating. Got it? So the flyers that we are generating should be given as a second and third product. So what I'll do is that I'll just go ahead with any of yours, what we say, flyers that you have. Okay, Etheria. I'll take this Baraka. This seems so beautiful. MashaAllah, this is produced very excellently. Design with Baraka. Done. Now we are going to go ahead with different kind of photos that we have till now generated. For example, I think let me show that this is something that we have generated. Okay, done. I'll just ask, put it up. Like if you cannot upload more than 4 products, my dear students, then do it in the next step. Okay, next command, next post. Okay, so I'll just go with the promo flyer. See here, can you just see this? Yes, dear students, the bike keychains, the hat keychains, mini bag keychains. It has mentioned it all for you without you mentioning all that. Handmade with love, cute, useful, crocheted for you, beautifully handcrafted, perfect for gifting, party favor. It has given it all for you. Mini bag keychains, flower keychains. The products that I've told is already being added without with just 2 prompts I gave. Thank you for supporting the handmade, made with love. Can you just not see this? 100% handmade, premium quality, custom orders, cute designs, safe packing the delivery, the crochet bag. This is put up. See, can you not see that it has even taken the things like the colors from your logo? Okay, only that have been used here. So this is something that should be consistent in your designs. Only then your brand looks brand, or it will look something else. It won't be a brand. It won't be an official brand, my dear students. If you want to create an impact, make sure you're having the designs that are impactful. Okay, make sure the designs that you're creating are very excellent, the premium quality designs. Fine. Okay, my dear students, need a big thumbs up, please. So this is how you generate the business flyers, business promo videos. Okay, so in this way you can create your own images, whatever stuff you want. Okay, the thing that I had given was, oh my dear students, can you not see this? What were my products? My products were flyers that I have given. It has given those products inside it. Yes? Understood? So the logo that was used, okay, the logo that was used, the same premium coloring is used throughout. No color changing. Got it? So this is the design principle. We need to maintain the consistency in coloring. If you go ahead and select any type of colors, any type of typography, then that doesn't work. Remember that. Are we good with this topic, my dear students? Please let me know. You have to be very impactful with your designs by creating them with color consistency, with typography, with same kind of look throughout. Okay, you go ahead and check the excellent brands, or what we say, what you feel as a premium brands. You can check them. They have the same kind of colors throughout their designs. There is a consistency in coloring, so make sure you're doing that. Got it? Yes, no. Okay. So topics for today were, let me just go ahead and check the topics that we are going to teach. So we are left out with few more topics. Inshallah, we'll be done with that. And then tomorrow would be the last session, inshallah. Are you all excited for the last session? Tomorrow you're going to learn to create the presentations, inshallah. So this presentation that you are seeing on the screen, can you all tell me, did I generate it myself or is it AI generated? I just want a quick yes, no. AI generated or generated myself? All AI? Completely AI? Who is going to tell me, is it completely AI? No, it should be both, right? How come you create it entirely with AI, dear students? You cannot, because you have so many things to manipulate in this, right? So Canva plus AI is something that you have to, yeah, except the textual content, yes. So except the textual contents, backgrounds are all generated using AI. You can generate these things very beautifully, my dear students. Okay, so make sure you. It just takes, what we say. It just takes seconds to do this. Before we used to spend around an hour to collect the content, design the content, to put it up beautifully and all. So now we have it all in form of the, what we say, in this format. You can just go ahead and ask the AI to generate the beautiful slides for you and give it to you. It will generate it and give it to you. Even the content also it will give it to you, but it won't be aligning with the values or aligning with the pattern that you're following into the session. So make sure you are going to know the Canva as well as the AI tools as well. Okay, so you have to know to use a software wherein you can edit the things. One software you have to know, you have to learn. Fine, you have to learn one software where you can edit, and one software, one AI tool where you can create. Got it? Where you can design, get that, and where you can edit, you have to have one software. So Canva will work as a editing software, and AI tools will work as a designing software. Are we good with this now? So what are we going to use for manipulations, my dear students? We're going to use Canva for manipulating the content and AI tools for designing the content. Even there you can manipulate, but you cannot manipulate to an extent that you are going to deliver it to your clients or deliver it to your students. Fine, my dear students? Yes, no? Give me a big thumbs up if you all have understood the things that are being taught in today's session. I'm teaching you with a perspective that you're going to earn through this, inshallah, in the future. So, inshallah, if you're going to get the clients, then what you have to do is that you're not just going to go ahead and rely on the chat GPT and give it to them. No, you have to correct the things that you don't find are good. Okay. So, yesterday I was showing you with the Quranic flyer. The Quranic ayah was not at all written right. The harakat were all here and there, right? So it was not following the Quranic, what we say, script. It was all manipulated. So what do you have to do? You have to remove it using the tools from the Canva, wherein you can just edit it very excellently on Canva using the magic AI tool. Okay, so I'll show you something called as magic layers, magic edits, and all, inshallah, in the next session. So for now, we are done with business sales flyer, the promotion flyers done, advertising the posters, same advertising posters. If you want to make sure that banners are created, just go ahead with the same flyer. Just write it, create a banner. You can even tell it on which dimension. Create a banner of dimension. So what height is your wall? Okay, to create a banner, you can ask your client for that. For example, he says that he wanted for the 4 feet height, 4 feet height and slash star, and then what is the width would be something like 2 feet. Okay, 2 feet, let it be wide. Okay, so banner should have the more width, so that means like 7 feet width. Okay, so we can say recreate it for the banner of dimension this much. You can even say recreate it for a banner of dimension this much. Recreate it, or recreate the above design for a banner of dimension, whatever dimension you want, you can give it, my dear students. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead. 4 feet, 7 feet width. So it will create the same dimension and give it to you. You can use it on the Canva, manipulate it, and give it to your client by creating the HD version of it. You can even ask it, give me the high definition quality of this flyer. Give me the high definition quality or HD quality of this flyer. Give me the high definition. You know what it will do? It will remove all the errors. If any errors are there, it will manipulate it again, and it will make the pixels size, the pixels as a high quality, high definition. Fine. Give me the high definition quality. Do you know what is HD quality? The same thing I'm writing. Create an HD. Give me the HD quality of this image. If you find that if you open this image, then if this contents are not so what we say clear, right? Yes or no? Is it clear, my dear students? It's not clear. But if you ask it to give you a HD version so that I can directly deliver it to my client, it will provide it for you. Got it? Give me a thumbs up, please, if you all have got this. Okay, so these things, the flyers, the banners of whichever size you want. So the size I mentioned was around 4 feet, 7 feet width. So it will give it for that same thing. Now, if you go and give it to the printing press, they'll generate a very big 4 feet and 7 feet banner and give it to you, my dear student. Yes. So that is how you do it. The business banners, business cards as small as the palm size. Okay, even that can be generated using the Canva. Okay, it will give you beautiful, what we say, beautiful content for the uh, business cards also. Okay, you can ask it to generate a business card for my business. Just write it. Generate a business card for my business. Generate a business card for my business. Okay, business card. Even don't mention business. Just write business. Generate a business card for this. Okay, for this I'll show you what you have to do. You just go to the photos, grab a photo of your logo. Okay, whereas I'll just take this, taking Sakina reflection. Okay, Then I'm asking it to create it will only create the first page. Okay, generate a business card for this logo. I want the front page. I want the front page. The front page will just have the what we say. What does the front page have, my dear student? Just the logo, right? Okay, the back page would be having your contact details, correct? So you can just mention generate a business card. I just want the front page of the business card. So there are two faces for the right front face and the back face for a business card. Have you all seen the business cards? Yes, my dear students. How does it look like? Okay, you can even create the brochures. Hopefully, you know what are the brochures. The folded papers that you have, the folded advertisement pieces, right? Yes, the pamphlets you can generate, the certificates you can generate, infographics you can generate, all of it are fine. Infographics, okay, for example, I'll just go with the next one. Create an infographic. Infographic. Okay, what does infographic mean? Can you all please tell me what is infographic? For 5 pillars of Islam. Someone please let me know what is an infographic. I want you all to try these things, please. It will just take minutes. If not in ChatGPT, go with Gemini and try this. If not with Gemini, go with Grok and try this. If not with Grok, Google Flow, okay, it will create the images, unlimited images. Yes, infographic means the images with explanation, all in one, all are explained in one in the mapping manner. Okay, map, it will be a mind map kind of view will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it will give it in a very good, beautiful mind map kind of way. Okay, so see here. Can you see this? This is a business card for you, the frontal page. Okay, now I want the back page of this business card. Okay, you won't have imagined creating this yourself, my dear students. You could not have created such a good business card. Okay, this is the output from the business card, the previous one. Fine. Okay, so infographic is being created. So let's just leave that page. We are in the business card design now. So business card, I just gave the logo and it has created me the front page of the business card. Now I'll ask to create the back page. Create the back page. Okay, so what would be on the back page? Do you know what would be on the back page? Come on, tell me what would be on the back page of a business card? Phone number, right? Phone number, email ID, website, whatever, correct? Yes, address would be there. So create that. So phone would be something like, even if you do not give that the phone is this much, phone number is this much or something like that, it will understand that you have given the phone number. Address would be India. And then if you want to give something like website, www.edu-site.com. Okay, we are done. I'll just go ahead. So create the back page. Only 3 information are given and that's done. So let's get back to the infographic page. Okay, I'll show you what is an infographic. Look into this now. Bismillah. Oh, can you see this? This is called as an infographic. Understood now? So if you are going to represent the matter, the textual content, the idea in the format of the, what we say, information, in the format of the mind map kind of view, okay, then we call it as infographic. Okay, it's just not the content, it's just not the textual content, but also the elements are added up along with this. Okay, information is followed very well along with the graphics. Okay, along with the graphics which are presented along with it. Fine, understood? So this is the infographic content. So make sure you are practicing all of this and sending it as a homework, my dear students. Will you all be doing that? Okay. So do you know how to create your own resume? The final copy of the resume, not just the resume as a photo. No, you can create the resume. You can create the resume in the PDF format, my dear students. This looks so beautiful, isn't it? This business card. Yes or no? It is properly aligned with the colors and the theme of the logo. So you have to present your logo. Remember, you're not just going and telling create a business card. No, put up your logo, attach your logo there. Fine, my dear students, please let me know. Okay, the next final thing, creating a resume. How do you create a resume? Create my resume. Okay, because ChatGPT knows me, I'll just write create my resume. Let's see if it knows me. Create my resume. Okay, give me a PDF file. Give me a PDF file. Okay, you know the homeworks that I've been giving in the PDF files, it's all generated by ChatGPT. You just can ask it that create this in the PDF format. It will give the PDF link. You just can copy and paste that PDF link also. So see here, this is how the easy, subhanallah, this is so beautiful business card, Sister Yasmin, barakallahu feek. ChatGPT generated. You can even add the scanners. See how beautiful it has generated. You can even ask it to change the products. You add the products. You can now once it is produced, put up the products. Give the 4 to 5 products. Ask it to change the products and put my products there. Okay. You can ask it to change the products and put the products that I have designed there. Insert the projects that I have designed there. So see here, it has developed my resume. I don't know how it has turned out to be. I don't think it is all right. Okay, graphic designer, AI design coach, online tutor, dash 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 skills. Can you see that? It has generated from the from my what we say, whatever the inputs and outputs that I give to the chat GPT. It has produced a beautiful what we say the outcome, my dear students. Okay, this is how you get generate a resume. You can even give more such speeches to the more such questions to the chat GPT and generate it all. So now I just want to go ahead with the next one. That would be the certification. Certifications you can create easily. Book covers can be created, letterheads can be created, stickers and labels can be created using this. Alhamdulillah, the topics that are for today's session were all the marketing creatives. So we are done with this. Tomorrow, my dear students, you are going to get the bonus outputs, like bonuses, like you're going to get the content sheets for the students, the business people, and all. Inshallah, content sheets for the various purposes will be the prompt sheets will be provided. Yes, homework will be shared in the group. Okay, so inshallah, the homework will be different from the classworks. Inshallah, I'll be giving you the homework in detail. Inshallah. And one more important thing is that tomorrow will be the final session where you're going to learn to create using the Canva. Okay, learn to manipulate using the Canva. Content creation, now you have known that everything and anything can be designed using the AI, right? Yes. Now, how are you going to manipulate this content very beautifully using the Canva? You are going to learn it in tomorrow's class. Okay, be ready to get most out of this entire course in the last session. Fine. Looking forward to see you all in tomorrow's class, inshallah ta'ala. Hopefully, you all will be present without fail. Inshallah, that will be the last and final session. And inshallah, this course, my dear students, is a gist of all the courses that I've done till now. The photo editing course, the video editing course, the animation courses, or the design like a pro course, and the AI courses. Okay, everything in a gist we have created this course wherein you are going to master the AI tools along with the content creation, along with the prompts, and along with the branding, my dear students. Inshallah, tomorrow you're going to learn the a few more aspects, inshallah, of designing. Okay, hopefully I'll meet you in tomorrow's session, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullah khairan for being with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum.